وَاتَّقُوهُ وَأَطِيعُونِ. O my people, worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. وَاتَّقُوهُ, and fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. وَأَطِيعُونِ, and obey me. Prophet Nuh alayhi salatu wasalam mentioned to his nation three things. Worshipping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that means worshipping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not taqwa. That's not piety. He said that obey me, that means obeying the commandment of the messenger is not taqwa. He mentioned it separately that وَاتَّقُوا, and يَعْبُدُ worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, وَاتَّقُوا, and fear Him, وَأَطِيعُونِ, and obey me. It's mentioned separately, that means it's a special link, and it's a special thing. It's a special connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Ma'idah, Surah number 5, ayah number 27, that وَاتْلُ عَلَيْهِمْ نَبَأَ ابْنَيْ آدَمَ بِالْحَقِّ إِذْ قَرَّبَا قُرْبَانًا فَتُقُبِّلَ مِنْ أَحَدِهِمَا وَلَمْ يُتَقَبَّلْ مِنَ الْآخَرِ قَالَ لَأَقْتُلَنَّكَ قَالَ إِنَّمَا يَتَقَبَّلُ اللَّهُ مِنَ الْمُتَّقِينَ. O Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, recite to them, narrate to them the story of the two sons of Adam. When both of them offered sacrifice, it was accepted from one, not from the other. Qabil and Habil offered sacrifice, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accepted the sacrifice of Habil, not from the Qabil. And Qabil said to Habil, surely I will kill you. And Habil said to Qabil that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala only accepting the sacrifices of those who fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who have God consciousness, who have piety, who have taqwa. From this ayah we can understand